Welsh is stupid. Dysgu Cymraeg? Learn Welsh? No. Welsh is stupid. People shouldn't think that Welsh is the future and Welsh will help you get places. Did you know not many people speak Welsh and it's a boring Celtic language? We need to stop saying that it's a great language. I'm glad I learned Welsh and learning Welsh makes me happy. In 30 years from now, I'll tell my children that I was forced to learn Welsh in school. Don't say that bilingualism is a key skill and that it opens up opportunities. You can think like this unless we reverse it. Bilingualism is a key skill and it opens up opportunities. Don't say that I was forced to learn Welsh in school. In 30 years from now, I'll tell my children that learning Welsh made me happy. I'm glad I learned Welsh. We need to stop saying that's a boring Celtic language and that not many people speak Welsh. Did you know Welsh will help you get places and that Welsh is the future? People shouldn't think that Welsh is stupid. No! Learn Welsh. Dysgwch Cymraeg.